What is up everybody, I hope you're doing well and safe. It's a Sunday afternoon today and I've stepped out to buy some accessories and some ride essentials for the long ride that I'll be doing this month. So this video is going to be regarding the long ride that I'll be doing this month. I've come to 6,000 miles to buy some accessories here. Hi, I'm looking for Rhinox outer liner, rain liner. Yeah. हाँ किया था. Everything here looks colorful. So these are the new Rhinox products that are launched this year. Right here. First job done. So I wanted to get the rain liner from a very long time. Since this is monsoon and we'll be doing a monsoon ride soon, this is a very much necessary care. So right now I'm heading to JC Road to pick up another accessory for the GoPro. This video is going to be short. This is just to give you a heads up that I'm going on a long ride this month. So still haven't decided the places. The itinerary is still in planning, but we are going to Western Ghats of Karnataka because, like I said earlier, visiting Western Ghats during the monsoon is a yearly ritual, I believe. So yeah, we're still working on the itinerary. There's a lot of traffic at this hour on a Sunday. At least on a Sunday I expect less traffic, but no. I forgot to take my backpack today, and this is how I've hanged the rain liner. I was in a hurry and I forgot the backpack, and this is what I'm doing right now. So the next stop is going to be Adeshwar to pick up some GoPro accessories. I think I've reached Adeshwar. Yes. So this is where I got most of the accessories here in JC Road. GoPro बैटरी चाहिए. GoPro बैटरी. हाँ, Hero 8 का. 8. Alright, second accessory done. I got the GoPro Hero 8 battery. I also want the pin lock inset for my helmet because it's irritating when it's raining, especially it gets fogged up. So I think I'll get a pin lock inset for the ride as well. So I'm going to Motor Nation now. The visor ಬೇಕು and pin lock. ಇದು V12B ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆ, ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಪಿನ್ ಲಾಕ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಂಟಿ ಫಾಗ್ ಒಂದಿದೆ ಸರ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಕೂಲ್ ದೆನ್. Alright, that's it for the video guys. I just wanted to give you all a heads up that I'll be doing a long ride soon this month, probably second week. So yeah, so I got most of the accessories that I wanted to buy, and I just have to place an order for the visor. I think I'll get that done as well. So yeah, stay tuned for the ride and videos. This ride is going to be lit for sure, because I'll be visiting my favorite part of Karnataka, especially during monsoon. So stay subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, to subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll catch you guys later. Bye bye.